Hello and welcome. In today's video we will be covering the online orb spawn, and when the orb is picked up it will be removed from the other player's vision. Okay, so first of all we're gonna go ahead and delete these orbs we created previously. Hit command delete or control delete, and next thing, let's go ahead and enable our orbs that we had previously. Let's go and select the first one, shift select the last one. We will disable them because maybe we want to use them later, but basically I want to keep the empty game object called orbs, which we're going to store the online orbs into that one. Okay, so since if you remember from previous videos, orb manager was in the snake movement script, so we will go ahead and open that up. First of all, we're gonna go, excuse me, that's my phone, I will just mute it for now. Okay, excuse me. Okay, so first of all, we're going to uncomment the spawn orb manager. Since we're checking if the photon view is ours, we want to call that. And what we're going to do is control find that method. It's here. Okay, so we're calling it every few seconds, that works fine, but we want to add the RPC call, and to instantiate on the network for everyone we want to add these lines of codes into the RPC pun. So first what we're going to do is create a new method, put this curly bracket, say pun RPC, and we are going to name it void spawn for everybody. Yeah, I think that will be okay, and we will add the parameter of string, which will be name. We will be changing the name of our orbs so we can know in each PC that the orb with the name, I don't know, Michael, or with the number 5 is the same on the both PCs, and we can go ahead and delete that one. Okay, so first of all we're going to initialize that random name. We're gonna instantiate actually with a number, so I'll just say change this string to int, and we will say int random number equals random dot range from 1 to, I will say, 10,000. I think that is okay. And my window just crashed. Okay, and the next thing what we're going to do is say photon view .rpc, and let's go ahead and copy paste this new method we made, and we want to say photon targets all buffered. Again, this will call the method on everybody and everybody who will connect later on. And the next thing we want to pass on is the final position, which is vector 3, and random number, which is an integer. So we forgot to add the vector 3 as the parameter. Final pass. Vector 3. Okay. So that now that we have that, we can just select these lines, hit copy and cut, paste here, and we want to add change the variable final position into underscore final pass. And what we want to do is change the name of our new orb, which is new orb dot transform dot name equals underscore name dot to string, and this will change the name for the orb. And basically this is it for this part. I will not go ahead and run it since we have a small thing to do more. Okay, so when the orb is instantiated, when the another snake picks it up, we want that orb to be gone on each PC, and even those players who connect later. So we're going to go ahead and look for our method, actually script that we called collision network script. We're keeping our stuff there. So since we know the name of our game object, I will just comment this out. We will create a new RPC method, which will be photon view the RPC destroy orb, again photon targets, all buffer comma other dot game object dot name, and we're gonna go ahead and create a new pun RPC method, which is going to build void destroy orb. Is going to take a parameter of a string and just say name, and what we want to see destroy game object with a big G that find the underscore name dot game object, close the parentheses. Let's back into Unity. So if I were to run this on two PCs, since I can't, it's pretty hard to run it on ones. On one you can go ahead and play with it, but I will just show you how it works, explain a little bit. So we hit create server, start server. So this will spawn for every player that is online for his head. So we don't have the exactly random spawn, but every player won't be missed out. They will be getting orbs, and if there are two players by each other, they will be creating much more orbs, which is logical. And when we pick an orb up, it will disappear for every other created game object or snake or player. And we have some bugs, I don't know why, but some of these are not picking up. I will try to figure that out, and I will see you till next time. Actually, I will fix it in the next time probably. And that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, comment if you have any questions, and like. It will really help this series. Until next time, see ya.